this is our opportunity to support 4 schools from all different kinds of backgrounds.
And we said to them, we've got this really cool challenge that we'd like you to take part in.
We're currently working with Bentley Systems to create a Hyperloop station in Singapore.
In simple terms, what we do have is we have a tube, we evacuate the air out of the tube. Within that, we then place a vehicle, we call it a pod. That pod then levitates using magnetic levitation systems. We then propel it up to speeds up to about 1,080 kilometers an hour.
We have to design, prepare and present the presentation towards a board of panel people and show what we've learnt with Bentley over the past couple of months.
What we really need you to do is to work with us to develop your design and then join us in Singapore.
I'd say an honour, I guess, is the best way of putting it. We're really lucky to be in this kind of position, and working with Bentley and all the companies, it's amazing. It really is.
When children say computer science bores me, it's because they're not seeing a purpose at the end of it.
Our Hyperloop routes, we've got them on top of each other.
All the tubes are going to be underneath it, and then we're going to have a separate area for shopping.
What I'm working on at the moment is almost the final presentation, grabbing a few ideas that I can actually implement into the final.
They've been blowing me and other people out the water for a while now, so I'm confident that they'll do a good job at this as well.
Hello everyone, and thank you for coming. We are the Morehouse School Hyperloop team.
Drummond's Community High School from Edinburgh.
It actually allowed me to know what I want to do in the future now. It kind of shaped my employment.
The electrochromic glass actually has electrovoltaics cells in them. So this means that they not only save energy, but they also create energy as well. There's a central garden in the building around the waterfall. This lowers the carbon footprint.
When I first started DEC, I would never stand up in front of a classroom and speak to people, where now it's just a normal conversation. Firstly, we needed to extend our original design, as the site was much bigger than the one that we were working on here in the UK. First, we had to do the first half of it, so up to here, and that took a long time because not only is it curved, it also goes up with slanted glass, so there was a lot of trial and error and just improving as a team.
I think the great thing about children is that they're full of ideas. You know, there's no barrier. It can be done. And I think we can learn an awful lot from that.
Wow. We've got our work cut out for us.
The thing that is so wonderfully exciting about a challenge like this is, for us, these 4 schools are not providing an end in themselves, but it is a communication for the rest of the world.
It's just packed with so many ideas. Every question that came up, they had some crazy mad idea to answer it, which I thought was really in the spirit of innovation.
Then we have the overall winner, and Archie, if you would be so kind to announce that based upon that summary. Fantastic.
Fantastic. Fantastic, all of you.
The idea that these things really will make a difference in the world is important to the younger generation. The other thing now is the technology they have to work with. It becomes fun to be in engineering.
And all of you wireless, but one group wireless more, I think just creates a whole new opportunity for young people who are now coming through their careers. Charging, recycling, ocean material, they came up with all of it, okay? So the winners of today, Drummond.
No, we just sat there. Is it actually us? Have we just imagined this?
I think the biggest thing that can come out of this, ministries of education all around the world suddenly see the construction industry as the greatest thing on earth.